Okay, this is me doing a little video since somebody so kindly asked for it. Alright, this is my car. There's all the little stupid rocks right there. The garage door is right there. Right now, we're going to get in the car. I'm going to take you down the way a little bit. We're going to go down to the little court area and then around to the other side since it ends right down there. Let's have a little look-see. So, this is a real car. Car is turned on. Lights. Here we go. We can't go all the way through, like I said, it is a court. And there's like a playground thing I take my son to sometimes down here. That's where I definitely heard the sound. And it wasn't like a scream, it was sort of like a, I don't know, like a bear or something, something very large. So right in there, right over there is the, I can't see it at all, the damn kiddie area. So it's nothing really here, as you can see, it is just a court. There's my house right there. Now we're going to go down to the other side of the street, down this way. Out of the ordinary. Except for some street lights are turning off. I don't really think that's anything crazy. The other end of the street in between the court by my house and the little play structure area. Play structure's right over there, right directly in front of the camera. This is the court. There's the play structure right up there. You can't really see it again, but nothing down here. Lots of rocks in the street though, and there aren't too many little kids that live down in this area down here. They're all most of them are teenagers down here, so no real kids down in this area to come over here and mess up all the rocks. Like right here you can't see it, but there is no rocks here on the ground. All clean because all the little kids live in well, most of them anyway, live in a different part of the housing area. Now we're going to go back to my house up here. Show you that I am indeed alone. I'm not. There's nobody here. There's no other car in my driveway. My wife in, so I'm not definitely completely out of the state right now. There's nobody here to mess with anything. Except maybe my fucking dumb cat. Anyways. hear any crazy sound. As you can see, there's no car here in my driveway, or excuse me, in my garage. So that's it. I don't really know what the sound was, but it scared the piss out of me. So hopefully it doesn't happen again.